Today, we're going to explore one of the most important architectural concepts in modern data management: the evolution from traditional data warehouses to data lakes and finally to data lake houses. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about your data platform strategy. Let me start by taking you on a journey through the evolution of data architecture. We'll see how each approach emerged to solve specific problems, what benefits they provide, and why the industry has converged on the data lake house pattern that Apache Iceberg enables. Traditional data warehouses emerged in the 1980s and dominated enterprise analytics for decades. A data warehouse is a centralized repository that stores structured data from multiple operational systems in a highly organized schema-on-write format designed specifically for analytical queries and business intelligence. Structured data with predefined schemas means that every piece of data must conform to a strict structure before it can be loaded into the warehouse. This ensures consistency and enables very fast query performance because the database knows exactly how data is organized and can optimize accordingly. The schema-on-write approach for data quality ensures that data validation and transformation happen during the loading process. Any data that doesn't meet quality standards is rejected or corrected before it enters the warehouse, maintaining high data integrity throughout the system. Optimization for business intelligence and reporting makes data warehouses excellent for known analytical use cases. The structure and indexing strategies are designed specifically for dashboard queries, financial reporting, and other structured analytical workloads that businesses rely on. High performance for analytical queries is achieved through specialized storage formats, sophisticated indexing, and query optimization techniques that have been refined over decades. Users can expect consistent, fast response times for supported query patterns. However, expensive storage and compute coupling means that scaling storage requires scaling compute power as well, leading to high costs. Traditional warehouse architectures tie these resources together, making it expensive to store large amounts of historical data. Limited flexibility for new data types becomes a significant constraint. As organizations want to analyze social media data, IoT sensor readings, log files, and other data sources that don't fit neatly into structured schemas. Data Lake emerged early 2010 as a response to the limitations and costs of traditional data warehouses. A data lake stores raw data in its native format without requiring upfront schema definition, enabling schema-on-read flexibility and support for diverse data types. Raw data storage in native formats means you can store JSON files, log files, images, videos, and any other data type without transformation. This dramatically reduces the time and cost of ingesting new data sources because you don't need to understand the structure before storing it. Schema-on-read flexibility for exploration allows data scientists and analysts to experiment with data and discover insights without waiting for formal ETL processes. You can load data first and figure out its structure and value later through exploratory analysis. Support for structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data opens up entirely new analytical possibilities. Organizations can combine traditional business data with social media feeds, sensor data, log files, and other data sources that were previously too difficult or expensive to analyze. Cost-effective cloud object storage provides virtually unlimited capacity at a fraction of traditional warehouse costs. Organizations can store petabytes of data for long periods without the prohibitive costs associated with traditional storage systems. However, challenges with data quality and governance emerge when there's no enforced structure. Without proper governance, data lakes quickly become data swamps where data quality degrades and it becomes difficult to find reliable, trustworthy information. Performance issues for analytical queries arise because data lakes prioritize storage flexibility over query optimization. Traditional data lake formats require full table scans for many queries, leading to slow performance and high compute costs. Data lakehouses represent the next evolution, combining the flexibility and cost-effectiveness of data lakes with the data quality and performance characteristics of data warehouses. This architecture provides structured data management capabilities directly on top of low-cost cloud storage. Combining warehouse reliability with lake flexibility means you get the best of both worlds. You maintain the ability to store any data type while gaining database-level reliability features like ACID transactions and schema enforcement. ACID transactions on cloud object storage ensure that your data operations are atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable, even when working with files in object storage. This eliminates many of the data quality issues that plague traditional data lakes. Schema evolution and enforcement capabilities provide flexibility to change your data structures over time while maintaining consistency across your platform. You can add new columns, change data types, or restructure tables without breaking existing queries or applications. Multi-engine support for diverse workloads means you can use Spark for large-scale ETL, SQL engines for business intelligence, machine learning frameworks for AI applications, and streaming engines for real-time analytics, all working with the same underlying data. Separation of storage and compute for cost optimization allows you to scale these resources independently. You can store vast amounts of data cheaply while only paying for compute resources when you actually need to process that data. Time travel and versioning for data governance provide audit trails and the ability to query historical versions of your data. This is crucial for regulatory compliance and debugging data quality issues. Scalability approaches vary between architectures. Traditional data warehouses can become expensive to scale and may have architectural limits that require significant re-architecture as data volumes grow. Data lakes provide virtually unlimited storage scalability through cloud object storage, but may struggle with query performance and metadata management at very large scales without proper optimization. Data lakehouses combine unlimited storage scalability with elastic compute resources and sophisticated metadata management that maintains performance characteristics even as data volumes grow to petabyte scale. Thanks for joining me on this journey through data architecture evolution. In our next sessions, we'll dive into practical implementations of data lakehouse patterns using Apache Iceberg and see how these concepts translate into real-world solutions.